Okay, there was some confusion on 934 Part B. 934 Part B. I do believe the book is wrong, so I'm going to go through this a couple different ways for us to look at it. First way is using the quadratic formula. Where we have A, B, and C. Except we got to put this over to make it equal to 0. So we actually get A is 0.5, B is 9, C is negative 8.8. So we're going to plug those in. X equals opposite B, so opposite 9 is negative 9, plus or minus square root of 9 squared, minus 4 times A times C, all over 2 times A. So then we're just going to do the math. Okay? So we're going to go X equals opposite 9 plus or minus. So here we have 81. Okay? Then we have a double negative. Okay? Double 8. Next we get 81 plus 17.6 all over 1. So we have X equals opposite 9 plus or minus square root of 98.6. When we do this math, we get X equals 0.93 or X equals negative 18.93. So that is just using, okay, the quadratic formula right away. Now some people said, hey, I want to get rid of that X squared. So I want to multiply everything by 2. So I multiply everything by 2. X squared plus 18x minus 5.6 equals 12. We're going to subtract 12 over. So we get x squared plus 18x minus 17.6 is equal to 0. Okay, so A is 1, B is 18, C is this. So again, opposite of B, plus or minus the square root, okay, of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. So X equals opposite of 18 plus or minus square root of 18 squared minus 4 times A times C all over 2A. So we have X equals negative 18 plus or minus. So in this parenthesis, after we do this math, we get 98.6 all divided by 2. So we get X equals 0.93 or X equals negative 18.93. So we got the same answers. And then somebody want to know what it looks like when we complete the square. Okay, when we complete the square. Okay, so when we complete the square, again we got to multiply everything by 2. We want x squared by itself. So x squared plus 18x minus 5.6 is equal to 12. This doesn't factor, so we're going to add 5.6 to both sides. So x squared plus 18x equals 17.6. We're going to cut this number in half, which is 9, and square it. So we're going to add 81 to both sides. So this factors into x plus 9 squared equals 98.6. We take the square root of both sides. So we get x plus 9 equals plus or minus square root of 98.6. Oops. We subtract 9 over, so x equals negative 9 plus or minus the square root of 98.6. So x is equal to 0.93, or x is equal to negative 18.93. So hopefully those help with 934 Part B.